Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a custom thumbnail, so like this or that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a new project. You'll probably have your own projects that you've already made. We're going to delete that and I'm going to make the thumbnail. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, so welcome back. I made this. So now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to say, when green flag clicked, show, and then go to front, so it brings it to the front in front of all your other sprites. And then you're going to say, set ghost effect to 100%. 200. And that's pretty much it. So now when you click the green flag, it'll hide, but when you turn it off, it'll stay like that. So welcome back. I just made this so you can like move this around with the arrow keys. So this works. And now when I hit the stop sign, the thumbnail goes in front. You're gonna hit save now, and then now it should be saved. So now when I go to my stuff, here we go, it's with the thumbnail. So thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and tap the like button on this video, and see you next time.